Today we're making muffins, lemon poppy seed muffins. So we're starting with dry ingredients in this bowl. So that's 2 cups of flour. This is baking soda and baking powder. Well, it should be baking powder, but I didn't have any. So I made it with baking soda, cream of tartar, and cornstarch. And then poppy seeds, obviously. And whisk. Yes, I do have a smaller whisk. No, I will not be using it today. Okay. That is mixed. Set that aside. Wet ingredients. 1 room temperature egg. Sugar is considered a wet ingredient in baking, so that's going in. We're gonna just combine those really quick. 1/3 cup full fat sour cream. That's also gonna get fully combined before I add anything else. And then we have 2/3 cup whole milk, room temp, and 1/3 cup vegetable oil. I'm gonna hit this with a little bit of lemon extract. I don't know how much that was. Sorry. Now we're gonna add lemon zest and lemon juice. This is a Meyer lemon. It's a little smaller, sweeter, nicer. It's also in season. That's what we're using. I'm gonna put the zest in with the dry stuff. Let's mix this up. So this is all coming together to be one nice liquid, which will make for really nice muffins. I'm going to attempt to pour in the liquid while whisking. Send thoughts and prayers. Great job. Should have never doubted myself. Beautiful. Time to put into a muffin pan. 1/4 cup into each muffin container. These are done. Mostly all filled the same. Then I'm gonna top these with sugar because I like the bakery style. Kind of crunchy. Gonna clean this up, into the oven it goes.
So let's be real, that's not happening.
What?
So let's be real, that's not happening. Me not talking.
Oh yeah, I know. My friend Lauren's here. These look incredible. Let's see if they're done. Cake tester. Oh. They're done.
Oh yeah.
Lauren, it's like 400 degrees. It just came out of the oven.
It's okay.
Okay.
I'm praying for the
Powdered sugar. The tiniest bit of extract. That wasn't tiny, but whatever. Milk. I also realize when I do this, like, and by this I mean film and cook or bake, my face looks so serious or so like concerned a majority of the time. And I know it's because in my head I'm like, I don't know if that's gonna work or not. Muffins, done. Here you go. Is it still steaming?
Oh shit.
Yes, it is. A good muffin.